Hi there, top writing tip of the day. So one thing that I really think is important that we avoid is writing scenes that are just too predictable. Yes, there are reader expectations, but too predictable is too predictable. So maybe instead of the woman running into her room and finding her husband having an affair with her best friend, and instead of her running out and screaming uncontrollably or crying or whatever, maybe she, I don't know, maybe she opens the door to, an open relationship. Throw some things in there. And I'm not saying everything needs to go to the dirty side or the erotica, but try to think of some ways to bring something around that your reader won't expect. Now, yes, it's also plot twist, but sometimes you just don't want to know what you're going to read before you read it. So, Sydney Brown, top writing tip of the day. Make sure you subscribe.